Talking about your city, learn about some of the main landmarks in your city. What is a landmark? A landmark is an important building or place. Today we'll talk about some important landmarks you can see in most Canadian cities. What is a legislative assembly? A legislative assembly is where the provincial government meets. What is a city hall? A city hall is where the city government meets. What is a university? A university is where adult students learn. What is a technical college? A technical college is where adult students learn practical trades. What is a shopping mall? A shopping mall is a place with many stores. What is a museum? A museum is where people see old or interesting things. What is an art gallery? An art gallery is where people look at art. What is a theater? A theater is where people watch plays. What is a concert hall? A concert hall is where people listen to music. What is a conservatory? A conservatory is where people grow plants inside. What is a hotel? A hotel is where people stay overnight. What is a hockey arena? A hockey arena is where people play and watch hockey. What is a park? A park is where people enjoy nature. What is a bridge? A bridge is a way to cross a river.